Welcome to NASA International Space and Challenge 2025. These are 3 days of innovation, creativity, and collaboration. Let me walk you through the schedule of these 3 days. The hackathon will start on 4th of October. Registration process will start at 8 am and will continue till 9 am. Then at 9:30, students will gather in the auditorium, and with the words of motivation from our esteemed chief guest, we will officially inaugurate the hackathon. Then by 10 am, students will attend a small briefing about their workstation, facilities, and hackathon booth. And at sharp 10:30 am, hackathon will begin. The first round will happen from 10:30 am till 1 pm in the afternoon, and then at 1 they will have their lunch. Then second round of hackathon will start and it will continue till 7 pm in the evening. This will be their dinner time. And after this, students will get a chance to relax with a calm DJ night and a night sky session that we will be organizing for all the students. And it is optional for the students to attend. They will also be continuing in the hackathon. But here is the thing. It is compulsory for our female participants to get back to their dorms at 11 pm sharp in the night, and they will stay there till 6 am in the morning. By this time, if boys want to relax, they can also relax, and if they want to work, they can also work. These are the dorm timings. So with all of this thing, we will conclude our day 1 of the hackathon. Now let's understand the schedule of our second day of hackathon, that is 5th of October. Breakfast will be served from morning 8 am till 9 am, and throughout the day, right from 9 am till 5 pm in the evening, teams will work hard building and polishing their projects. 5 pm is the deadline. During this time, the projects should be completed. Then, after 6 pm, judges will start evaluating all the projects until midnight. So, this is the concluding schedule of our day 2. We need to keep this in mind that the dinner timings and the lunch timings will remain same as the previous day. Now, let's understand the schedule of our day 3 of the hackathon, that is 6th of October. At 9 am, we will be wrapping up this 3 days event with our final result declaration and the closing ceremony. This is not just an ending. It's a celebration of our teamwork, collaboration, creativity, and unforgettable memories. With this, we will be concluding our 3 days hackathon at Graphic Era Hill University, Bhilta. We can't wait to see what you create. See you there.